Are you car poor? You just don't have enough money left at the end of the month. Your car payment is sucking up all your available cash, and then your car breaks down. Let's talk about a system whereby this doesn't need to be happening every month. So let's talk about what you can do about the fact that all your money is being consumed by your vehicle. Are you aware that a new vehicle driven off the lot will lose 40% of its value in the first 2 years, and by the time we hit 4 years, it's lost 65% of its value? Let me give you an illustration of depreciation. I have an ice cream cone for sale. It's only $4, but here's the deal. It's 10 minutes old. Would you pay anything for it? Of course you wouldn't, because it's worth nothing. But a vehicle is a very different animal, because a vehicle, if you bought a 4-year-old vehicle of the model you wanted, and you could get a 65% discount, that's a good deal. Here's the thing. A new vehicle driven off the lot will be in the market for 23 years into the future. That's a good deal. And it potentially has 350,000 K in its gas tank. So why not buy that vehicle instead of the new vehicle? But you may say, well, I don't want to do that because it may break down. Well, here's the deal. With a 65% discount, you can afford to take the risk that you have to put some repairs into it. And the other side of it, if you look at Consumer Reports and figure out which is the best deal for a car, then you're potentially putting a hedge against it. If you look up Carfax and be able to determine how many repairs are required on this vehicle, and you can see the history on this vehicle. And then if you have a garage that you trust, then they can inspect the vehicle before you buy it. And this 4-year-old vehicle at a 65% discount will be an incredible deal. So let's look at two options when it comes to purchasing a vehicle. Option one, you head to the car lot and you buy a $35,000 vehicle. You have to put tax on it, and then you finance that vehicle over 6 years or 72 months at an annual interest rate of 2.99%. Your monthly payment is $600.73. Ouch. That's a lot of money. So let's take the same scenario, but let's apply the 65% discount. So you go buy a 4-year-old vehicle. So instead of being $35,000, you got the 65% discount. It's now $15,700 plus tax. You do the same interest rate and the same term. You know what your payment is? It's $269 a month. What an incredible deal. And if you have to have some money set aside to do the repairs on this vehicle, that's one thing. So I know what you're saying about the repair costs. That's fine for you to say because you're an industry insider. Well, here's a couple of things you can do. Make sure you buy the vehicle from a reputable dealer. That way, the vehicle will be reconditioned and it will be in good shape. This dealer cannot afford to put his reputation on the line, so therefore he's going to sell you a vehicle in good shape. He's probably also going to offer you an extended warranty. This may be a good deal. Weigh out the cost on it and realize you can negotiate the cost of the extended warranty, because in most cases it's going to cost you anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000, and if you can buy it for closer to the $2,000 price, it may be a very good deal. But make sure that you read the fine print on the warranty to make sure it covers all the necessary components. So how much should the repairs cost on this vehicle we're talking about? Well, they should cost anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per year. But here's the deal. Find a garage that you trust and have a discussion with them. Let them know what you're planning, that you're buying a 4-year-old vehicle and you want to keep it for another 10 years. So typically it could be 14 years old by the time you let it go. Ask them for some advice on how to take care of this vehicle. Chances are many garages have protection plans that they have from their suppliers. So if they use a certain product, that supplier will give them a warranty on that vehicle. So if you want to find out more about these types of plans, message me below in the comments and I'd be happy to send you more details. So have a discussion. Talk to them about what you want to do with this vehicle and ask them to help you to make this vehicle last and keep your cost as low as possible. So in conclusion, wouldn't it be great if you didn't have a monthly car payment and you only had to deal with the repairs and you'd taken the time to make sure that your repair system was set up with a garage that you trust so that the costs are kept down? This would be an amazing thing, and it would free up so much available cash for your budget. So, if you've liked the content in this video, please hit the subscribe button and so that you can see more videos like that. I hope you have a great day.